Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. The Honorable Mr. and Mrs. Judge and all my friends alone. First, let us praise and thank God for His blessing, mercy, and guidance so that we can all gather in this place. Secondly, salawat and salam always be delivered to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness. I'm honored to stand here to deliver my speech about the role of the golden generation at the forefront. Ladies and gentlemen, first, by the primary filter, utilize the knowledge of Aqidah and Usul Fiqh that we have learned to discern. Second, be a creator of good content if our smartphones are only used for dancing. We will be left behind by the times. Turn them into tools for da'wah. Spread the beauty of Islam, which is a mercy to all the world, through creative, soothing, and attractive content that takes millions of heads. Technology is a reality and globalization is an inevitability. We cannot reject it, we must master it in the midst of the global currents. Islamic boarding school stands out because there are the 4 place defenders of Islam culture in the archipelago. A legacy that teaches balance, tolerance, and noble character. This school produced a unique generation, modern in intellect, classical in hand. We can master the world while remaining humble before Allah. We can master coding, but not forget our religious studies. We can excel in business, but remain firm in affairs. This is the key for keeping Islamic education relevant, preserving noble traditions while embracing boundless innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all my speech for today. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.